With its competition dwindling, the Kia Rio and Mitsubishi Mirage G4 are both soon to be discontinued. The 2024 Nissan Versa stands as the last bastion of affordable transportation. It's no wonder the Versa remains standing, as its attractive styling, fuel-efficient powertrain, and value-focused features make it shine among compact sedans, earning it a spot on our 2024 Editor's Choice list. Under its stubby hood, a 122 HP four-cylinder engine hums away, offering predictably modest performance. Following a significant design refresh in 2023, Nissan's smallest car moves into the 2024 model year without any major changes. However, rumors suggest the Versa may not be around much longer, with reports that Nissan might discontinue it after the 2025 model year. The price of the 2024 Nissan Versa starts at $17,120 and goes up to $21,130, depending on the trim and options. Every Versa is powered by a 122 HP four-cylinder engine driving the front wheels. The Versa's interior has evolved from a basic play area to a refined space with quality materials and soft-touch surfaces on the doors and dashboard. While you won't find power-adjustable seats or leather upholstery, the top-tier model offers heated front seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and a leather-wrapped shift knob. The mid-level SV trim introduces some attractive standard features, including a digital screen in the gauge cluster. The SV also adds a center console with an armrest and a wireless charging pad, elevating the overall driving experience. The base models come with a 5-speed manual transmission, but a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, is available on the S trim and standard on the higher SV and SR trims. While the Versa feels sluggish when pulling away from stoplights and during highway passing, its CVT helps keep the noise down by mimicking real gear changes. The Versa shines with impressive fuel efficiency, boasting up to 32 mpg in the city and 40 mpg on the highway when paired with the CVT. On the flip side, the entry-level Versa with a manual transmission offers slightly less frugal figures, with an estimated 27 mpg city and 35 mpg highway.